Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. An actual home improvement related video instead of exercise or skincare. I've been using this transfer pump to move rainwater around, but you can see it bends pretty easily. Let's do some research and see what better options are out there. Okay, I really liked this video by Project Farm because he compares multiple hoses and pops up on a couple of different Reddit threads. Here's another one that mentions his video. I also see recommendations for Continental, Craftsman, Delay, Goodyear, Flexzilla also came up on this video over here. Let's go shopping. We are back from Home Depot, and these are the two that I ended up getting because I didn't see the Flexzilla or the Gilmore. So this video will end up being a comparison between Continental and Goodyear. They're also the same price for the same amount of feet. Let's set them up and see how they initially feel. I love my new garden hoses. They are both clearly better than the cheap one that bent really easily while connected to the transfer pump. These two are holding their shape really well. The Goodyear has a bigger fitting, but feels slightly more flimsy when I bend it compared to the Continental. And I think that's a material and weight difference. These are 12 pounds compared to those are 6-7 pounds. Hopefully it will be many years before one of them breaks and I won't have to make a follow-up video anytime soon. Ideally, I want to have them last as long as possible. But for now, video 211 done.